Hello everyone, now I come back to see you again with my cooking. My cooking today is fried mushroom with chicken. At the first, I clean the mushroom clearly for 3 times in clean water. And after I clean mushroom, I take it into a small basket. Mushroom is very good vegetable for us. I start chop chicken, liver chicken and chicken. I chop more and more to be small pieces and make me easy to cook and to eat also. Now I already chopped the chicken. I chop the garlic. I chop the garlic into small pieces. I take the fry on the stove that already has the fire. I take the olive oil. This is some of my ingredients such as seasoning, salt, palm sugar, oyster sauce. I put the garlic into my pan and make the chicken into the pan that I already had the olive oil. I put a little bit of palm sugar, fish sauce, oyster oil, a little bit of seasoning, and I fry and fry. Okay, when my chicken are to be cooked, I take the mushroom, put into my pan. Okay, wow, looks so beautiful. And I cut the garlic. Yeah. Beautiful everyone. The garlic is very important for our health also. Make the food more delicious. And I fry, mix together with the mushroom and chicken. Wow. I have one dish, mushroom fried with chicken. Looks so tasty. Okay, now I take my food into my pan. Wow, very good color, and the smell is very good smell everyone. Okay, this is my mushroom chicken fry. Now I am eating. This food is for my dinner. Oh everyone, very delicious. Mushroom and chicken, suitable, tasty together. Okay, please eat with me. And also if you have time, please cook at your house. Yeah. Everyone, thank you very much for your watching my video. Yeah, good luck. Thank you very much for your watching. please follow me, my page, and subscribe my channel YouTube also, everyone. Thank you for your watching. Thank you for your support my Facebook page and my channel. Bye bye. See you next time.